variety, supportive, and coach. I oversee all the on-site management of the projects that we have in the United States, along with doing the estimations for them. There's also some parts of the project where we have to do U.S. mechanical installation, which I'll oversee that. My team also supports any other business units that are doing projects across the United States, along with any of the departments too, and support for the projects. We help automate warehouses to help reduce the manpower needed for the customer to hire. I chose the travel part because it was a new option. I thought it was actually a very good opportunity to come over here and visit the new Motrec location, and also visit the Helix we have over here. On top of that, I think it's actually a very good opportunity to collaborate with colleagues, both in your Motrec location and also your Wells location, because my team will work with both of them quite a lot. My name is Mike Stein, and I'm the U.S. Installation Manager for TGW Systems.